Welcome to Telematics Canada. Our brand new Series XI might actually be one of those rare products that can be accurately described as a game changer, without everyone in the room rolling their eyes. The first thing you will likely notice in this video isn't going to be the lovely and svelte XI panel, in a 2.6 pixel, measuring just 500 by 500 by a super slim 38mm. And of course, you won't recognize that each panel weighs just 3 kilograms. No, but you'll probably be hitting the pause button right about now to check out the somewhat unusual custom frame for this little gem. We are watching footage of the XI being directly mounted to common 40 by 40 and 40 by 80 aluminum extrusion for an upcoming show. Oh, and please, excuse the cable clutter, as this is still a work in progress. The very clever design of the XI allows the panels to super easily attach to the grooves in the extrusion, either as a bezel at the perimeter or out of sight at the back. And the double-wide extrusion then of course gives rise to double-faced displays that measure under 3 inches thick. Nice! All of which means your most creative self might just build out a custom frame for a trade show, or a special event, or a cafe or a grocery, on a wall or on the floor, or hung from the ceiling. And you can always change it around later. And of course, we will be recommending Novastar's fantastic vision management platform software, and the Novastar KU20 controller. All Desay panels are built to impress, and built to last. Desay fully supports their products with a very comprehensive 2-year factory warranty, which may be extended to 5 years for a modest surcharge. Give us a call at your convenience, and let's spend some time reviewing your project. We can promise you will be glad you did.